This is a Slither puzzle. It was designed by Haim Hires and made by Nothing Yet Designs. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 7 identical parts inside the frame. If you like this Slither puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and hit the subscribe button if you would like to access more videos from Puzzle Master. The Slither puzzle has 7 parts, as I mentioned. All of them are identical, and the frame has a couple of restrictions. Like if you take a closer look on top of the frame, you will find a piece of transparent acrylic. There is a cutout in the middle that looks kind of a snake, but you won't be able to fit parts through the cutout. Only if you bend the pieces and force them inside, you will be able to do that, but it is against the puzzle solving rules. You never have to use force, so you won't be able to fit any of the parts through this opening. But there are 2 other openings, one on this side, another on this side. They're quite small. They are just big enough to fit one of the pieces like that, and you have to use 2 of these openings to fit all of the 7 parts inside the frame, which will be quite tricky since you can put 5, maybe 6 parts inside, and then it will be difficult to fit the last one. So usually what I do, I try to figure out how the parts will be inside of the frame, outside of the frame, but then once you kind of think that this is the correct approach, it will be still difficult to solve since you have to find the correct order how to fit all parts inside of the frame. So it's quite an interesting and tricky puzzle. If you want to try to solve the Slither puzzle, go to puzzlemaster.ca.